All repairs today. All right. Here we had to replace a little bit of whole logs. Sometimes it rots all the way through. I'll show you what it looks like after. One more down. Here we are with basically the finished product. Top coat goes on after this, give a little more sheen. But for the most part, for being brand new logs from a mill, they fit in pretty good. We'll see how it dries. And back up. We'll see how it dries. Maybe put on another coat. Yeah. Midwest Maintenance. Restoring history and preserving the future. Keeping your old stuff looking good.